Today I am going to help you in sharing the information pertaining to engaging a private advocate for a criminal case. Generally speaking, for a criminal case, either you file it in the police station or you file it in a court, and thereafter it is again forwarded to the police for investigation, and police files a charge sheet in the court. As per the Criminal Procedure Code, you are only the informant and the complainant is the police, and you are also called de facto complainant. So the actual complainant is the state represented by the police. It is a state case. So state case is argued by the public prosecutor. Public prosecutor doesn't work for the police. He is an advocate for the state. He represents the state, country. Now the question comes is, in a criminal case, it is not your problem. It is a problem of the state. Crime is an offense against the society. Therefore, it is the responsibility that is to be discharged by the state. It is not the personal responsibility. It is not a personal case. It is not a violation of the personal law. It is a violation of a state law. So crime is an offense against the society. Police have the discretion to register the crime or not, because eventually at the end of the day they have to control the crime. Now if you are not satisfied that public prosecutor is not prosecuting your case properly before a magistrate court, please make it a point. There are 3 levels of courts except Supreme Court. There is a magistrate court, there is a sessions court, and there is a high court, and after that there is a Supreme Court. So the magistrate court is the first court, criminal court. The district level court is the sessions court, the third is high court, and the fourth is the Supreme Court. There are only 4 levels in a criminal case for prosecuting a criminal case. Now, Criminal Procedure Code clearly says that you can engage a private counsel or you can assist the public prosecutor by engaging a private counsel. So private counsel gives inputs to the public prosecutor, because public prosecutor will be in charge of a lot of cases because he represents the state. He may not concentrate more on your case. In such an event, you can engage a private counsel of your choice with the permission of the court, especially magistrate court. Now the question comes, the law is not clear on this aspect, that whether you can engage a counsel for even the sessions court. Sessions trial will be a trial for the offences which have punishments more than 7 years. Bigger punishment, bigger offences will be tried at session court. So therefore now the point comes is, can you engage a private counsel for assisting the public prosecutor in a sessions court? High Court of Hyderabad, I think in the last year, gave a decision that you can. And now the interesting point comes. High Court of Hyderabad has 2 phases. One is the judicial side, the other is the administrative side. High Court of Hyderabad on the administrative side questioned the High Court of Hyderabad on the judicial side before the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court set aside the order of the judicial side and did not permit to engage a private counsel before the sessions court to assist the public prosecutor. So the sum and substance of this video is, you can engage a private counsel for assisting the public prosecutor before a magistrate court, but not before a sessions court. That is a law that is laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. Thank you.